How do you, as a powerful creator, discern how to use the law of self to help your magnetism, but put yourself first and not be selfish in a negative way? This is a very important part, a very important thing to be able to distinguish. Because you see, as a powerful creator, you are the source of your power. It is from within you that you are going to raise yourself, create, improve your creation. Therefore, it is very important that you understand how to put yourself first in a way that is in accord with the universe, in accord with universal flow. When you do so, you find that the universe supports you. You find things lining up for you, and you find that things really are working out well for you. All is well and you needn't worry. On the other hand, when you think that the way you feel should be taken into account, the way you think is right, what you need, what you want, the way you see it, are all to govern not only yourself but others, then you are losing sight of the correct gravitational pull, if you will. You are losing sight of universal flow. You see, when it is that you put yourself first in accordance with universal flow, it does not mean that others yield to you. It means that you listen to yourself. You understand what is important and meaningful, and you take actions to benefit yourself and what is important and meaningful. When you are genuine with yourself, when you are authentic, when you have taken the time to go in, to sit with yourself, to know yourself, you tend to change your mind about things. You tend to feel more deeply and find truer feelings, deeper thoughts. You tend to find what is truly more important and more meaningful to you. When you do so, that is when you are led by yourself in accordance to universal flow. Because at your depth, universal flow is more connected. At the certain surface level of your whim, you are disconnected to everything. It is just perhaps a glimmer on the water, but it tells you nothing of what lies beneath. Not the life that lies beneath, not the depth, not the vast adventures that lie beneath the surface of the water, if that were you. So spend time with yourself. Get to know what is deeply meaningful to you in your life. Get to know yourself at the levels of where your power is, your deep thoughts, your deep feelings, and what it is that you truly are. Know yourself deeply and you will find that most things don't matter. Instead, it is the things that are deeper, often coming from love. Not from wanting to be loved, not from wanting love to make you feel good, but a deep love, like a deep appreciation of life in the ocean. It is in itself loving. And as you find that, you will find direction within yourself. You will know how to put yourself first in a way that you do not exhaust yourself, but you do not reserve yourself. You are meant to engage with life. You are meant to give life your best, but not hurt yourself, not blood, sweat, and tears. You are meant to discover life, to savor it, to give it your best recipes, but not to slave over a hot kitchen. It is in some ways very obvious, but in other ways often requires for you to deeply ponder. And then you unlock some of the mysteries that lie deeper, darker in the ocean. And you are better in the flow. And you find everything you want and need in that magical ocean coming at the right time, because your gravitational pull turns out to be in a different flow that works so much better for you, because you are a powerful creator in universal flow.